Shiba Inu has greatly been influenced by BlackRock and other ETF firms. However, it seems that this may have reached its conclusion. An enormous Shiba Inu breakout, an enormous victory. Finally, the moment we have been anticipating has arrived. However, what genuine events are taking place? How does BlackRock relate to Shiba Inu? Okay, allow me to elaborate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Regrettably, the current state of the cryptocurrency industry is disastrous. Just recently, the spot Bitcoin ETF experienced a substantial outflow of more than $200 million. In addition, this is not a one-time event. There have been outflows for the 7th day in a row. Take a moment to contemplate that. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, had an outflow of capital for 7 consecutive days. In April, BlackRock achieved media attention with an extraordinary 71-day streak of Bitcoin ETF inflows. Those were historic events. People were investing in Bitcoin at an unprecedented rate, and it appeared to be irrepressible. The tables have abruptly turned in the present day. Now, rather than establishing records for inflows, we are witnessing significant figures, such as 7 consecutive days of outflows. It is genuinely surprising. Now it is intriguing that BlackRock has maintained its outflows at zero. However, the 7-day-long sequence of outflows across the entire Bitcoin ETF market is a significant indicator that something is amiss. This does not solely impact Bitcoin. The entire crypto space is shook, particularly the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has demonstrated an exceptional level of sensitivity to fluctuations in Bitcoin ETFs, and Shiba Inu is also affected when Bitcoin experiences such setbacks. Currently, the market is characterized by a high level of uncertainty due to the cascading effects of this type of instability. Shiba Inu investors are going through an extremely challenging period. The price of the Shiba Inu is being negatively impacted by the negative news regarding Bitcoin ETFs. The price has tripled in just a few days, and it has been experiencing significant difficulties recently. Nothing appears to be able to reverse the situation as it did in February. Let us assume that you are following all the correct procedures when attempting to cultivate a plant. Provide it with water, sunlight, and proper care. The plant is then violently shaken by a tempest. In spite of the amount of care you provide, the tempest continues to pulverize the plant, preventing it from thriving. That is akin to the current sentiment among Shiba Inu investors. Their investment is being supported to the greatest of their ability. The Bitcoin ETF controversy and other external issues are rendering it virtually impossible for the Shiba Inu to recover. It is aggravating that they are unable to maintain control over these external factors that are causing so much disruption. The events of today, however, are genuinely beyond comprehension. Although Bitcoin ETFs have experienced a 7th consecutive day of outflows, a phenomenon that typically causes Shiba Inu to struggle, the news of the day is quite unexpected. There has been a remarkable 285% increase in large holder net flows in Shiba Inu, which has been attributed to significant whale activity. Shiba Inu's massive transaction volume has increased by 39% in the past 24 hours, as indicated by data from Into the Block, exceeding $35 million or 2.65 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The significance of this increase in whale activity is that it suggests that the major actors are making significant movements, thereby altering their positions. This could signify a significant turning point for the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu may be beginning to decouple from Bitcoin ETF trends if these significant holders are purchasing in defiance of the recent negative news regarding Bitcoin ETFs. Essentially, the Shiba Inu may be establishing its own course and becoming less susceptible to the broader crypto market's current challenges. The continuation of this trend could potentially contribute to the stabilization of the Shiba Inu and even facilitate future development. For the Shiba Inu community, this revelation is a welcome respite following a protracted period of adversity. I feel as though I have finally caught a glimpse of optimism after months of bleak weather. This unexpected surge in whale interest and positivity may be precisely what the community requires to regain a sense of enthusiasm and optimism regarding the future. Additionally, this is the point at which the situation becomes exceedingly intriguing. Despite the fact that Shiba Inu has been one of the most frustrating assets to own in recent times, a novel viewpoint is gaining traction. The time may eventually be opportune for a substantial advance, according to market observer Javen Marks. He implies that the Shiba Inu has the potential to experience a significant rebound, possibly achieving new highs that have not been seen in some time. Over the last month, Shiba Inu's behavior has been somewhat disappointing. It has been trading at a relatively consistent level for several weeks. A few weeks ago, the price experienced a fleeting surge, which seemed to indicate that a bull run was imminent. However, this optimism was short-lived, as the price descended rapidly to its previous level. Even though it experienced a new nadir at the beginning of the month, it has since rebounded marginally. Many members of the Shiba Inu community are cautiously optimistic, despite the fluctuations, due to the potential for a reversal and the renewed interest from whales. This may signal the commencement of a more optimistic phase, providing a glimmer of optimism for those who have persevered through the challenging times, despite the recent poor performance. Necessities. Marks, an analyst, maintains his optimism regarding the prospects of the Shiba Inu in the weeks ahead. He has observed numerous bullish signals on the Relative Strength Index, RSI, a tool that is employed to gauge price momentum. Based on his analysis, these RSI patterns indicate that Shiba Inu may be on the brink of a substantial increase, with the potential to exceed 230%. Marks anticipates that this recovery rally could propel the Shiba Inu back to its all-time highs from sooner this year. For context, Shiba Inu achieved its highest value of the year in March, marking a significant increase in price just 10 days after its upward trajectory commenced. Its highest point in 3 years was marked by that surge, which was also significant. Actually, this type of swift movement is quite common in Shiba Inu. It has a reputation for the ability to experience significant price fluctuations when the circumstances are favorable. If the price once again begins to rise, it may not only increase gradually, but it may also increase rapidly and significantly. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu, such as the broader market, experienced a decline immediately after attaining its past highs. This has resulted in the token losing more than 60% of its profits from the previous 6 months. Analyst Marks thinks that Shiba Inu's potential to regain its previous zenith is merely one component of a broader price rally, despite this decline. According to him, a significantly higher 4 zeros -8 target is a critical milestone in Shiba Inu's comeback. Marks asserts that succeeding in attaining this elevated objective would constitute an immense accomplishment. Significant gains of 480% could be realized by investors who purchased Shiba Inu at lesser prices if it reaches this level. Shiba Inu's all-time high is also quite near to this objective, and if it is achieved, it would place Shiba Inu very near to surpassing that record. Although it is taking a bit longer to come to fruition, Marks has frequently referenced this target in his analyses. He maintains his optimism, predicting that Shiba Inu could ultimately reach even greater heights if all goes well, potentially establishing new benchmarks and attaining a pricing point that has never been seen before. Breaking the previous all-time high is an urgent necessity at this time. Lucy has been an investor since 2021 and a member of the Shiba Inu development team. She has long believed in the potential of the Shiba Inu, particularly in light of its exceptional past performance. Crypto Basic reports that the price of Shiba Inu experienced a significant increase in the first quarter of this year, surging by approximately 380% in a mere 10 days and achieving levels not seen since 2021. Considering that Shiba Inu was traded at a significantly lower price earlier in the year, the growth that occurred from that point to its apogee represented a remarkable return for investors, approximately 7 times their initial investment. This surge is monumental for investors. Their returns can be substantially enhanced by this substantial increase, which is not merely a typical gain. This growth signifies the potential of the Shiba Inu to generate substantial profits when market conditions are favorable. Shiba Inu's recent price increase has significantly increased confidence that it may attain even greater heights. One of the most anxiously anticipated objectives of the Shiba Inu community is to witness the price reach 1 cent. Despite the fact that some may perceive this objective as being distant, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu project team, is of the opinion that it is certainly achievable. Whatever the duration, she is certain that it is simply a matter of time. Shiba Inu is currently trading at a significantly reduced price, necessitating an extraordinary increase in order to reach 1 cent. However, the Shiba Inu community places incredible importance on this objective. They are united by it, and it provides them with optimism, particularly during difficult periods. They remain united and persevere through the market's ups and downs as a result of the potent motivator of reaching the 1 cent mark. However, how do you feel about that? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I am anxious to hear them.